And this is why water is able to get further into the core away from the damaged areas. These are the score lines in the balsa, and you can see that they weren't all filled, so that allowed water to migrate along those channels. Other than that, it was really well bonded, and you can see I'm really having to destroy it to get it out of there. Okay, here's the second side with a lot of the skin and some of the core removed. One of the interesting things I noticed is that the plywood is actually stitched in places. I haven't seen that before. Okay, here we have the repair area port side. You can see the outline what used to be plywood reinforcing. These are holes here for the chain plates mounting, which go up here. Got some of them sealed with tape. You can actually see the outline of what used to be the grain of the ply. The rest of the area is balsa-cored, or was. You can see the edges here. There's 1/2 inch of balsa, and the skin laminates are about 1/4 inch on either side. So this is now ready to be ground down with 36 grit. All the edges, since the hull thickness is about 1/4 inch, I'm going to be grinding all this back on the edges about 4 inches to give a good taper for the repair. Alright, here's the current state of the repair. Got a beautiful day. Got a workbench set up over there. Ready to start mixing up some resin. Got a bunch of new balsa core I'll cut to size, and gonna start building this back up. Okay, this is second stage. Now we're preparing the inner hull. I filled in some of the divots that were made when I was grinding, and getting ready to put the balsa core on. This is a couple layers of 1708 where I've had to fill in. There was a low spot. Okay, all the low spots have been filled. Now ready to add the balsa. Alright, all the core's in and pushed down real good, and then I taped a piece of plastic over it and have it attached to my shop vac just to keep some pressure on it. Even a little shop vac will put a really good push on all that core, really keep it in place. So that's what we're doing now. Gonna let that sit for an hour or two. Really make sure the resin's good and hard before I shut off the vacuum. After I vacuumed it all in, the balsa was sealed with resin and covered with a thin layer of polyester cloth fabric. This is called a peel ply and protects the surface while I was away from the project. Here's the area of core with all the additional fiberglass reinforcements on, and it's all ready for the outer skins. Right. On each side of the boat I have a big repair here where the chain plates had been leaking into the core. They've sat waiting for me with this peel ply all summer long to protect the work that I've already done. I've already built up the new, put the new core in, built up a new outer skin. Now I just need to peel all this off and fair the repairs.